Hari Om. On the spiritual path, once more and more light of knowledge dawns on us, there comes a phase when we truly long for just one thing, a fire of longing for self realization, a fire to keep us on track to attain our life purpose. This is one fire that doesn't destroy us, but it purifies us. Koi aisi aag laga de. This bhajan is all about that fire. Consistency in satsang and surrender to the wisdom of a true guru burns this fire within us. Guru lagan mein agal naga deta hai. Guru burns the fire of passion in our inquisitiveness and our inclination, perseverance, and devotion on the spiritual path. When we deeply long for union with God, we desire for a fire that burns away everything that is not God. A fire of longing, surrender, and love so deep that every part of us, body, mind, soul, the life itself belongs only to the divine. This bhajan, Koi Aisi Aag Laga De, is a soul's prayer to be set ablaze with that divine fire. Let us dive into its deeper meaning. तन मन जीवन सुलग उठे, कोई ऐसी आग लगाए, कोई ऐसी आग लगा दे रे, ये तन मन जीवन सुलग उठे. A true devotee asks for a fire so intense that such a fire consumes the ego, desires, fears, attachments, attractions, and distractions of the material world. That fire of longing for God. And this fire is a fire of transformation. When this fire burns within, the body becomes a temple, the mind an altar, and life itself a sacred diya for God, a sacred lamp for God. Din duna ho virah vedna, pal bhar chain na aaye re. Let this sweet pain of separation, virah ki vedna, keep increasing and intensifying with each passing day is what a true devotee seeks. And the devotee says, let me not even get rest from this sweet pain of separation, this sweet pain of longing for God. And I don't want rest even for a moment, because the greater the intensity of this fire, the greater the connection and the greater the desire to attain oneness with God. ऐसी लौ हरि नाम की लागी रे, रह न जाए मेरा नाम, मन वाणी से प्रभु पुकारूं, तन से हो हरि भक्ति का काम. हरि का हो सो रह जाए, प्रभु का हो सो रह जाए, और मेरा सब जल जाए. Let the flame of God's name, God's word burn so brightly that my temporary name disappears. My small I, my ego, my wrong identity disappears. Let me dissolve into the divine where I always belong and be one with Him. And this can happen only with the dissolution of the ego, the dissolution of the small I. When the small I melts into the divine, it leaves the fragrance of only God's name, God's remembrance, God's word. Let my mind, my speech, my thoughts all call out only God's name in devotion. And let my body, mind, soul engage in Nishkam Seva, selfless service of God's lovers, God's devotees. Because serving His lovers is effectively serving God. Let all that is mine burn away, and let only what belongs to God remain. When we truly surrender, nothing personal is left. Only God's will remains, God's ways remain. मुझे पर्वत बनना पसंद नहीं, अपमान मान हर लो मेरा. मैं प्रेम नगर का वासी हूँ, गुरु ज्ञान ध्यान हर लो मेरा. धरती के आंचल पर मेरी राख बिखेरी जाए, कोई ऐसी आग लगाए. I don't wish to be a mountain or an obstacle in my own path. The mountain is used here as a metaphor to describe our tall ego. So each one of us as devotees on the path always seek that our ego is conquered. So the devotee is saying the same thing. Please conquer my ego and grant me equanimity to deal with dualities of life, the fame, the insult, everything. I should be able to take it in an equal manner, in an equanimous manner as divine will for me. O Lord, I want to be soft with love, living in the world of divine love alone. Let love only remain, O Lord. Take away everything else from me, even the virtues, the knowledge, the meditation, the rituals. If they all also bring pride or ego to me, I don't want them. Because at the end of the day, even spiritual ego can become a chain and a wall between me and God. Once we surrender, we attain oneness, and in oneness, there is no ego, there is no duality. Even the body will eventually return to the earth. धरती के आंचल पर मेरी राख बिखेरी जाए. But I'm right away willing to give up my attachment to my body. I'm right away surrendering my ego. As I want to be in oneness with you, O God, right now, here and forever. Nothing must remain but the essence of love for God. जीवन पथ पर थका है राही, मार्ग चला नहीं जाता. एक तरफ जग, एक तरफ प्रभु, मुझसे चुना नहीं जाता. हाथ पकड़ कोई मुझ अंधे को, प्रभु की ओर झुकाए, कोई ऐसी आग लगाए. I am weary, tired, unable to walk further. I am torn between the material world and God. This is the honest cry of every seeker caught in the pull of both the material life and spiritual calling. When we surrender to the wisdom of a true Guru, that's when we are able to make right choices that help us grow on the spiritual path while we do our roles in the material world. And until a true Guru opens our inner eye and gives us the divine vision to walk the spiritual path, we are blind to even know what is right or wrong. And hence, in that state, every seeker wants guidance of a master to steer him in the direction of God. So the request is simple. O my true Guru, take my hand and lead me to God. Only the Guru can show us the way from darkness to light, from ignorance to wisdom. जीवन की इस कठिन डगर पे तुझे पुकारूं दीनानाथ, बड़े कठिन साधन से पाया अब न छोड़ूं तेरा हाथ. चाहे दुनिया दो रंगी है, निर्दोष पे दोष लगाए रे, कोई ऐसी आग लगाए रे. On life's difficult and challenging roads, each one of us calls upon God in difficult situations, and we request God to stay with us, to never leave us, now that we have finally met Him after lifetimes. He was always around, but our desires, our entanglements in the material world kept us away from Him. But in this birth, now that I have found you, O Lord, I will not let go of your hand, no matter what the world says or does. This is my last birth, and now that I am one with God, I will only cherish this as liberation now and here. This is Jivan Mukti. And this becomes a determination, a nischay of every wise devotee who's recognized their life's purpose and deep glory of God. The world may be double-faced and accuse innocent devotees like us for choosing God over material duties, ambitions, people. But to the one who's anchored in God, worldly opinions have no weight. They don't matter at all. Only the bond with the divine matters. The connection with God matters. Oneness with God matters. कोई ऐसी आग लगाए. So in summary, this should be the attitude of every devotee, every lover of God, that let the fire of longing for God never extinguish. Let the fire of the desire for union with God keep burning within me, within each one of us as seekers on the path, and let this fire never extinguish. Because in true devotion, the thirst for God only grows, becoming sweeter, deeper, and more consuming with every breath. This bhajan is a beautiful blueprint for a seeker's journey, from yearning or longing to surrender, to selfless service, to detachment, and finally to union with God. It teaches us that to be truly His, we must allow the fire of divine love to burn away everything that is not Him. Only God should remain, only love for God should remain within us. Let this fire keep burning within us. Let this fire make us soulful. Let this fire make us like empty flutes through which God's music keeps flowing day in and day out. Stay curious, stay hungry, stay in the longing for union with God. This beautiful longing, this virah ki vedna, is the journey towards God, for God, through God. This journey itself is the beautiful destination. Stay divine, stay in deep love with God. कोई ऐसी आग लगा दे, तन मन जीवन सुलग उठे. तन मन जीवन सुलग उठे, कोई ऐसी आग लगा दे रे, कोई ऐसी आग लगाए, ये तन मन जीवन सुलग उठे, कोई ऐसी आग लगा दे रे, कोई ऐसी आग लगा दे. दिन दूना होवे रहा वेदना, पल भर चैन न आए रे, कोई ऐसी आग लगा दे, ये तन मन जीवन सुलग उठे, कोई ऐसी आग लगा दे. ऐसी लो हरि नाम की लागे रे, रह न जाए मेरा नाम, मन वाणी से प्रभु पुकारूं, मन वाणी से प्रभु पुकारूं, तन से हो हरि भक्ति का काम, हरि का हो सो रह जाए, प्रभु का हो सो रह जाए, और मेरा सब जल जाए रे, कोई ऐसी आग लगा दे, ये तन मन जीवन सुलग उठे, कोई ऐसी आग लगा दे. मुझे पर्वत बनना पसंद नहीं, मुझे पर्वत बनना पसंद नहीं, अपमान मान हर लो मेरा, मैं प्रेम नगर का वासी हूँ, मैं प्रेम नगर का वासी हूँ, गुरु ज्ञान ध्यान हर लो मेरा, धरती के आंचल पर मेरे राख बिखेरी जाए रे, कोई ऐसी आग लगा दे रे, ये तन मन जीवन सुलग उठे, कोई लगा दे। जीवन पथ पर फंसा है राही, जीवन पथ पर फंसा है राही। मार्ग चला नहीं जाता, एक तरफ जग एक तरफ प्रभु, एक तरफ जग एक तरफ प्रभु। मुझसे चुना नहीं जाता, हाथ पकड़ कोई मुझे अंधे को, हाथ पकड़ कोई मुझे अंधे को, प्रभु की ओर झुकाए रे। कोई ऐसी आग लगाए, ये तन मन जीवन सुलग उठे। कोई ऐसी आग लगा दे। जीवन की इस कठिन डगर पर तुझे पुकारूं दीनानाथ, दीनानाथ मेरे दीनानाथ मेरे दीनानाथ मेरे दीनानाथ। बड़े कठिन साधन से पाया, बड़े कठिन साधन से पाया। अब न छोड़ूं तेरा हाथ, चाहे दुनिया दो रंगी है, निर्दोष को दोष लगाए रे। कोई ऐसी आग लगा दे रे, कोई ऐसी आग लगाए। ये तन मन जीवन सुलग उठे, कोई ऐसी आग लगा दे रे। कोई ऐसी आग लगाए, ये तन मन जीवन सुलग उठे।